Hello everyone, welcome to the SSW Rules Spring 121 review. SSW Rules is a website built with Gatsby and Decap CMS, and we are now migrating it to Next.js and Tina CMS. So now let's jump on to the Spring review email. So in this sprint, we had 4 Spring goals, and 2 of them are achieved. So Jake has made his awesome V3 down video, and we also have refined the deployment plan, added more details and clarity to it. So those 2 goals are done. But we still don't have a confirmed deployment date. This is because we are waiting for Tina team to fix some critical issues. And so this is not decided yet. And also the sugar learning item is...
Sorry. What is the critical issue you're waiting for?
It's a Tina 404 issue. So we can talk about this when we move on to the backlog.
Okay.
Yeah.
Am I familiar with this? I haven't seen it.
It was, you have seen it, Adam. It was Chloe's yak shave where she experienced seeing a bunch of 404s when the page first loaded, and she had to refresh a whole bunch of times for the page to actually show up.
Oh, thank you. Yep. All right. And that's not fixed in the version 3.02?
It's not fixed yet.
Are you sure you're on 3.02?
I say that because the Tina team just sent us a test version.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
so
when was 3.02 out, Adam? Do you know?
Yesterday.
Yesterday? No, it wouldn't be that.
Right. Okay.
So yeah. Let's keep going. You can find all the links for the Roost beta here, the new Roost website, including the staging one as well as the production. Now here's the backlog. So one PBI we mainly worked on in this sprint is simplifying some of the MDX component structure. So Jake, maybe you can talk about this first.
Yes. I'll share my screen. Show the PBI. So it's this one we're looking at, simplify MDX embed structure. Now, previously we had, this is what the MDX looked like for a box embed. And it's a little bit ugly because if someone was to go into GitHub and edit this themselves, they would not have a good time typing all of this. It looks very Reacty and not a very nice experience. There's components inside of components, which is not great. So basically all we did was we extracted out these 2 bits here, the figure preset, which basically there's a couple of options, good, bad, and okay. And basically all that does is prefix an emoji. And then the figure, which is the text of the actual figure. So we have just moved that to be a property on the parent component. So hopefully that is a whole lot better for people to actually edit inside GitHub.
I actually thought you went with figure rather than caption.
Yeah, no, I did. I'm just showing you that's just an example. So what it actually looks like is this here. So we have a figure prefix, which is again good, bad, or okay, which just prefixes with an emoji, and then the actual figure text is just called figure.
Much better.
So yeah, that is that one. I'll stop sharing, Chloe.
Yeah,
you didn't want to go with figure icon instead of figure prefix?
No.
Okay. How come?
Because it is a prefix, and I think that needs to be highlighted. If I say figure icon, I would have no idea where that goes.
Right. Okay.
Maybe it should be figure icon prefix, but at that point, I don't want to have too many words, right? So I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. So yeah.
Okay,
You can
thank
share
you.
again, Chloe.
Yes. All right. So the next big important PBI we worked on is about the deployment plan. Jean, can you mute? Yeah, thank you. So let me show you for this PBI, as we mentioned at the beginning, we have refined the deployment plan. So this plan now includes the preparation work and all the detailed steps that we need to do during the deployment, and as well as the configuration changes we need to make both before the release, before and after the release. So, and this plan has been checked by the team member. It was created by Aman and updated by me, and also get checked by Jake. So that's it. And the last PBI we want to talk about is we already talked about is the 404 error on initial page load. So Tina team is working on fixing it now, and it's a critical one. So we need to make sure this issue can be fixed before deciding the deployment date. Do you have any questions for the backlog, Adam?
Did you do a re-migration of the current data, all the rules?
Yes.
Okay, and did how long did that take?
For running the migration script, it took only 10 minutes.
Okay, and did you also check the broken links on the current site and the new site?
Yes, I've checked that, and I ran the code editor, but the result was not accurate. This is because of this Tina issue. So we have many 404 pages right now.
Got it. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So once this is fixed, we will rerun the code editor to check that the links. Now, okay, if there's no more questions, let's keep going. For the timesheet data, you can find more details here. So this was only a 4-day sprint because we moved forward 1 day, and it was only 8 man days, mainly from me and Jake. And we had 3 release in this sprint. The current version is 0034. And for the AI usage, nothing new from last sprint, so it's the same one. And then for the Copilot start part, I will hand over this part to you, Jake.
Okay, so it looks like Chloe, you and I did the most talking, and then Gert joined in halfway through and did a lot of talking at the end, which is cool. And AI reckons the main item completed was my sprint review. Was my V3 video, and Adam's requested a V4. I think it has missed. I think the simplify MDX thing was the main completed item. I'm not really sure why it's picked up that video as the main one. So yeah, that's not really right. I don't think.
Yeah, I'll put a note here after this meeting. Thank you, Jake. So yeah, now let's move on to the sprint retro. For what went well, we have simplified the MDX structure, so it's more human readable. It's more friendly for users who prefer editing directly through GitHub. And also, everyone's happy that Jake has recorded his V3 video. For what didn't go so well.
Sorry, can I just check? Have you seen the video, Chloe?
No, not yet.
Okay, I do think it's useful for you to look at it. It's a rough version. So Jake, can you add Chloe and Gert into that chat with Marcus?
I can. Yep.
Yeah, and it's not going to be edited anymore because he's going to do a re-recording, but it was good, and I gave him plenty of feedback. You can read about it in the chat.
Okay, yeah. Now let's keep going. For what didn't go so well, that we haven't decided a deployment date due to the critical TINA issues. And Jake also mentioned that he thinks that upgrade the TINA from version 2 to 3 is breaking our pipeline. And also, since the TINA team has to work on to fix those critical urgent issues, they haven't been working on the search bug. So yeah, that's the part for the retro. Do you want to add anything to this?
No, that's good.
Okay. So now let's go to the spring forecast for next sprint, spring 122. The spring goal is to have Jake's way4 down video done. And also we will keep working on the sugar landing item to get it ready. And this is going to be a 1 week sprint with 10.5 man days. And many me and Jake working on this on the next sprint. And then the backlog for the next sprint, we just highlighted the video one, the PBI for done video. Do you
I
have
think we
any
should
questions?
highlight the second from bottom, Chloe.
This one, yes.
Yes.
All right. Do you have any questions for the backlog?
Well, I think that you've highlighted one for the Tina team and one for Jake. Is that right?
Yes.
And what will you be working on, Chloe?
We still have some small bugs that I can work on. For example, yes.
Sorry, Chloe, you can actually do that 4041 today. Adam Jack sent us a build, a Tina build to test out with a fix for that. So Chloe can test that out today.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
and then I guess, yeah.
Is this the one that she's referring to as an urgent critical one?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
This is the one, the yak shave that you saw on the weekend.
Right. Okay. All right. Good. Good.
Okay. Then the Copilot stats. Can you please do this for us, Jake?
Yes, so it reckons the main item to do is another re-record, which I suppose is correct because we did put that in our sprint goal. I honestly think the main thing is to sort out that 404 issue, which I feel like we did talk about. So again, I'm not sure why it's
we did talk
it's
about it,
obsessed with
but we
these
did
videos.
mention that
Yeah.
it's on Tina CMS. Yeah, that's probably why it didn't pick it up as the main part, because it's not on our team.
To you, Chloe.
Yeah, thank you. So if there's no more questions, now here that's the end of the spring forecast for the spring 122. So as usual, the recording for this meeting will be uploaded to the SSW Rules YouTube channel. And thanks for everyone for joining us. I'll see you in the next week. See ya.
Thanks, Chloe.
Thank you.
Thanks, Chloe.